In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate tasks on deal stages in Hubspot, an essential skill that can streamline your sales process comprehensively. If you're spending too much time manually managing your deals, this guide will be just what you need. We'll start by heading over to the Hubspot homepage. If you haven't opened it up yet, go ahead and do so now. Once you're on the homepage, locate and click on the login button. Logging into your Hubspot account is a straightforward step, but remember, keeping your login credentials secure is crucial for protecting your business data. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Hubspot homepage. This is your main hub for accessing all of Hubspot's powerful tools and features. From here, we're going to navigate to the CRM section. Look for the CRM option and give it a click. The CRM is the backbone of your contact, deal, and communication management. Getting familiar with it can significantly impact how you manage customer relationships and workflows. Next, let's drill down a bit further by selecting Deals in the CRM section. Why Deals? Because this is where you can monitor the movement and status of your sales opportunities. Tracking them efficiently is key to maintaining a smooth sales pipeline. With the Deals section open, we'll move forward by clicking on Settings. You'll find the Settings option typically on the sidebar or at the top, depending on your interface layout. Settings will allow you to customize and configure various components of your sales and marketing strategy within HubSpot. Now let's focus on pipelines by clicking on it. Pipelines are essential for visually managing your sales process, displaying how deals are progressing through different stages. It's like having a bird's eye view of all your sales activities. This visualization can help identify bottlenecks or areas needing improvements, thereby enhancing your team's efficiency. Then we'll select the Automate option. Automation is all about using trigger-based events to streamline repetitive tasks, and that's precisely what we're aiming for. By automating deal stages, you can ensure that critical tasks and communications occur automatically at the right times, reducing manual errors and freeing up your time for more strategic activities. And there you have it. Follow these steps and you'll have automated tasks on deal stages in HubSpot, enhancing your workflow significantly. Remember, the more you integrate automation into your processes, the more you can focus on building relationships and closing deals rather than getting bogged down by repetitive tasks. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to check out more guides to continue optimizing your HubSpot experience. Thanks for watching and happy automating.